When UX documentation is skipped or disorganized, teams waste time trying to remember information instead of improving their product or service. Documentation of work processes and design decisions is a form of organizational memory. It prevents teams from running around in circles, repeating mistakes, or arguing over the same topics again and again. A challenge faced by UX practitioners working in Agile is the notion of minimal documentation. In an effort to work faster, teams sometimes stop writing down important information. But this actually leads to more wasted time and slows teams down as they attempt to recall key context. To avoid this, there are two situations when it's important to have lightweight UX documentation, meaning not overly lengthy, but just enough for shared understanding. The first scenario is before something begins. For example, before discovery research or other user research, a Scrum event, or a sprint beginning. Documenting here will give the team something to refer back to when and if questions arise. For this type of UX documentation, include a plan of what you will do and why. Keep it short. Use a one-page bulleted summary to communicate anticipated impacts and outline who's responsible for any objectives or artifacts. Include dates to time box the effort and to ensure it doesn't run longer than necessary. The second case where UX documentation is important is when something changes. Because Agile is all about responding to change over following a plan, lightweight documentation in these instances will help your team quickly remember when and why changes happened so that everyone can respond better. In these cases, try to share changes incrementally as you work and focus on only the essentials to communicate the differences. Add details that changed to existing tools and documents instead of creating new ones. Use existing annotations in wireframes, update user stories in the backlog, or even use group chats to keep a low effort history. Outline who's responsible for any next steps, action items, and final decisions needed. Good UX documentation ensures everyone stays informed and helps Agile projects run efficiently. When the right information is captured at the right level of detail and in the right places, it's not wasteful. It leads to better and faster decision-making, helps in presenting design decisions, and reduces the cognitive load for the team. Start documenting the right types of details now to move faster later.